I welcome you back again to another video lecture on C++ programming, and in this video lecture we'll go ahead and create a simple project that will help us to find Armstrong numbers. So this will help us to check the Armstrong numbers to know if a number is Armstrong or not. So, and what is an Armstrong number? An Armstrong number is a number whose sum of the cube is equal to the same number. Let's say I have 153 and let's say 153 and 1 raised to power 3 plus 5 raised to power 3 plus 3 raised to power 3. And if you sum this, it will give you 153. So the sum of the cube of the digits will give you the same number. So we have something like 407 and 371, something like that. So we'll go ahead and write a simple code that will help us to dictate Armstrong numbers only. Now let's go ahead and start initializing x, y, and z, and let z be equal to 0. And let's create, let's say, temp and rem, the remainder. Now we're going to use these values to work. All right, now let's go ahead and request user to insert any number. So I'm going to say cout, then go ahead and say insert any number to check for Armstrong. So insert any number to check for Armstrong. Go ahead and end that. So any number that is being input right there, you go ahead, take the number and save that right inside x and put a semicolon. Now let's temp be equal to x and put a semicolon. So if sum of cubes of each digit in a number is same as number, then that number is called an Armstrong number, and we're going to use a while loop to check out that. So let's ensure that temp is not equal to 0. Okay, so once temp is not equal to 0, we'll go ahead and use the remainder to check for temp modulus 10. So we're going to collect the remainder when temp is divided, and then we go ahead and use z, and let z be equal to z plus remainder multiply by remainder, because it is a cube, then multiply by remainder and put a semicolon at the end. Now we are going to discard the remainder by saying temp is equal to temp divide by 10 and put a semicolon at the end. So we've discarded the remainder. What we need to do now is we'll go ahead and use an if statement to check if x is equivalent to z. Okay, so if x is equivalent to z after the multiplying the cube, that means that this is an Armstrong number. So I'm going to use the output stream and say this number is an Armstrong. So this number is an Armstrong number. So go ahead and end that. Else cout, go ahead and say this number is not an Armstrong number. So this number is not an Armstrong number. Go ahead and end line. Alright, so let's go ahead and run this code and check out to know if this is an Armstrong number or not. So alright, so remember to put output stream right here. Let's go ahead and so let's come in. So insert any number to check for Armstrong. Let's go ahead and put 795-895. This number is not an Armstrong. So we already know that 153 is an Armstrong number. Let's go ahead and check it out. 153 and hit enter. This number is an Armstrong number. And let's check another Armstrong number, that is 407. Let's make sure that this gives us 407 and hit enter. So this number is an Armstrong number. I think we have 371. I'm not sure, but let's go ahead and check it out. 371. Alright, so this is an Armstrong number. So anytime you put any number that's an Armstrong, you go ahead and get a positive result. Okay, so the code is just ready before you. Put it down on your own system and play around with it. Check it out, and if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.